Ajay Devgan might be the real reason why you procrastinate. Watch this video till the end to find out how. Hello everyone, this is Sunil Poddar. I'm a mindset hacker and I help people to lead a peaceful yet productive life using the power of mindset hacking. When we live a life where we know that we want to achieve a goal, but we keep on delaying it, it takes a toll on our mental state. When we make sure that when we tell to ourselves that from tomorrow my life will be different, I have this action plan, I'll be doing this tomorrow, but that tomorrow never comes. It takes a toll on our self respect and our well being, because if you see it, technically we are lying to ourselves. We tell to ourselves that we'll be doing something and we don't do it, and there is an invisible force that stops us. Now what if I make those invisible forces visible? So in this video, through the Ajay Devgan model, I'll explain exactly how. Now when we talk about procrastination, people generally talk about time management and laziness, but there are more layers to it, and this model explains how. Now let me share my screen with you. Once you understand this model, things will become quite easy for you, and you'll be able to break out of the chain of procrastination. Now suppose you are here and you want to reach your goal, which is somewhere over here. This is your goal and you want to reach it. Now the path is straight and you can easily reach over here. But what happens? Imagine yourself being Ajay Devgan and you want a vehicle to reach your goal. Now, instead of relying on one vehicle, we rely on two vehicles to achieve our goals, and we balance on those vehicles. And that is where the fun begins and the complexity happens. Now, since our mind acts like Ajay Devgan when it comes to achieve our goals, we rely on two vehicles to reach our goals. And what are these two vehicles? The first vehicle is self control. The reason why we push through and achieve our goals, because we have control of ourselves, control of our thought and emotions. And the second is motivation, the rewards that we'll be getting when we achieve our goals. Now, if everything is fine, we are perfectly balanced between self control and motivation. Both of those lift us and help us achieve our goals. But in reality, this doesn't happen. What happens in reality? So, in reality, there are many demotivating factors, such as uncertainty about our goals. We are uncertain whether we'll be achieving our goals. We cannot visualize it. So it demotivates us. We have fear of failures. We have all such negative emotions associated with it. And there are other demotivating factors, such as the task that is given to us. We don't really want to do it, or we really don't know where to start. And all these factors demotivate us, and they try to tumble the motivation down. They try to tumble it down. So what happens when motivation falls down? Now you naturally go out of control. The balance is lost. Your mind will stumble down. Your mind will have all these negative emotions. Your self control will not be in the control, in the flow, and everything comes down. And hence we procrastinate. We fear riding the vehicle. Now the second part of it are the other hindering factors. They hinder us and they cause a break when it comes to reaching our goals, and we naturally procrastinate. So what are the hindering factors? The hindering factors can be exhaustions. Now I have made a detailed video why you feel exhausted, and you can go to my YouTube channel and watch those videos, and you will find small tweaks where you will know how to overcome exhaustion. But talking about exhaustion, now when you are exhausted by end of the day, it is natural that you won't go ahead and complete your goals. You'll feel like resting, and that's it. These are the hindering factors that like demotivate the self control. They try to stumble the self control towards the left. They try to like remove the balance out of our mind. So what happens? The balance is removed, motivation becomes demotivation, and we naturally tumble down. We go into the spiral of feeling bad about ourselves. Now if you see it, it only when your self control and motivation, they are playing as a tag team, and they are playing against hindering factors and demotivation. Hindering factors and demotivation. Now, only when your self control and motivation they are able to overweigh your hindering factors and demotivation, you will be achieving your goals. You won't be procrastinating. But when the hindering factors are too strong, or the demotivation is too strong, it will overweight the self control and motivation, and they will stumble, and as a result you won't be achieving your goals. Now this is how Ajay Devgan and the Ajay Devgan model of your mind stops you from achieving your goals and enables you to procrastinate. Once you understand this, it will become easier for you to know why you are actually procrastinating. Now in the upcoming videos, I'll be telling you about the real reasons why we procrastinate. I'll be breaking down the reasons, and I'll in the future videos I'll be also telling you how to overcome procrastination. Now if you found this video useful, I would, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press on the bell icon, and also comment down what you got from it. What was your biggest learning? And if you're watching it on my any social media channel, please hit the like button and comment your biggest learning. And also don't forget to share with someone who might find it useful. This is Sunil Poddar signing off, and thank you.